Hey everyone, Stevan Dulay here, former hair global artist from Glasgow, Scotland. I'm so excited today to be collaborating with Goldwell on their iconic muted collection. So today on my gorgeous model Orla, I'm going to be using 3 of the new Topchic Zero colour shades that are a part of this iconic muted collection to transform her hair colour. For this colour transformation, I'm going to be using a colour melting technique. Colour melting is a seamless transition between different tones to override or eradicate any harsh lines and create dimension in the overall look. I'm going to be using 3 of the muted iconic tones that are available, 10 SB, 10 AP and 8 AP, to create my finished piece in this beautiful blonde colour that we're going to create here. So for my model, Orla's hair here originally, before we pre-coloured, was sitting at a level 7 natural at the top with existing pre-lightened sections through the mid-lengths and ends. I wanted to lift all the hair, so we have used SilkLift Light Dimensions and the SilkLift Developer, because it's a beautiful lift, it's a protecting agent, and we've lifted this to a level 9 all over to give us the perfect pre-colour for creating my blonde look today. So my first steps for creating this colour melting technique is sectioning out the hair. So we've got our pattern in place. We're going to apply the root area first, and then we're going to take nice slices alternating between the 2 lightest tones throughout the hair. So for my colour on the root, we're going to use a mix of 10 AP and 8 AP. We're going to then melt that into all around the perimeter line 10 AP, and then alternate with 10 SB in between. So as you can see, we've done all the first stage of the hair. So we've sectioned it, we've separated it, we've alternated between the 10 SB and the 10 AP with the mixed tone at the root between the 10 AP and the 8 AP. So for this top section that we've sectioned away, we're going to use the same root colour, but instead of taking slices, we're going to weave each section and split it. So when it merges together, it creates a much more softer tone to the overall look of the hair. This is my finished look here, and as you can see, we've got these lovely silvery tones, these lovely 10 silver beige tones contrasting with those nice earthy warm ash pearl tones, and it just looks fantastic. Love this. Went for this lovely dry textured kind of look to it, and look at that dimension. Dimension is beautiful through that hair. Just works fantastic. So this is the Topchic Zero iconic muted collection. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen and you want to see more work from the iconic muted assortment, have a look at our other YouTube videos from the other global artists and the work that they're doing within the colours of this portfolio. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.